Polish rice cake. A dessert from Poland. Serves 4. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Combine rice, milk and salt in a saucepan and cook slowly until liquid is absorbed. Stir frequently. Step 2. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and flour 1 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Step 3. In large bowl, combine the butter and cream cheese. Cream well with wooden spoon. Step 4. In another bowl, combine eggs, half and half, and vanilla. Add the creamed mixture and blend well. Step 5. Stir in the cooled rice mixture and mix well. Add the flour and blend well. Stir in the raisins. Step 6. Pour batter into the prepared pan, pat top to avoid any air bubbles. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Let cake stand for 1 hour before turning out of pan. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.